Hi guys, Scott here. I'm doing an update to a review that I did not so long ago about a product called Traffic Ivy. It's the viral traffic platform. Now, you're probably wondering, why are you doing an update? Here's why. The owner of the product has decided to let people create free accounts. So this is an amazing product. I got early access as a beta tester, loved it. The launch was highly successful, and I use it every day. And I'm getting laser targeted traffic to wherever I want it to go. Now I'll go into all this. Right now we're on my bonus page. Now if you pick this up through me, you're going to get access to all my custom bonuses and everything down below, which I will show you real quick. Underneath this video, in the description, you will see a link to come to this bonus page. So come and check it out. And what you would do, when at any time on this page, when you're here, click on this reddish blue come together button here to secure your copy and the bonuses. Now this is to secure your free access, and I'm giving you bonuses too. So at any time you can do that. Here is what I want to show you. On this page I've put a demo of the product, which is really good. So I wanted you to see it. And I want to show you how it works. You create your account, okay? Then, step one, you connect your social media accounts and your websites and blogs. Step one is done. Step two, you go to the marketplace, and I'm going to show you this, but you go to the marketplace and you share content, and you will get points for sharing other people's content. That's step two. And step three is you're earning points. So you can use those points to have other people share your content. It's as simple as that. It works very good. Now, people who bought an account and get for access here, they got points when they started because they paid for it. But you're going to be getting a free account, so it doesn't come with points. So you need to go in and collect points by sharing other people's content. But when you do, then you're going to get the points and use those points so they share yours. That's only fair because you're not paying for it, so it's pretty much still a no-brainer. These are the bonuses that I have for you. I'm giving a covert commissions account. I'll show you real quick in a minute what that's all about. But it's really good. It's the product vendor, Cindy Donovan. It's her baby, her flagship product. But because this is about content and people sharing it, I've included bonuses for blogging, blog secrets, blogging conversion tips, content marketing. There's that along with all these other bonuses that you're going to get if you pick this up through me. So again, just find one of these buttons here, click on it, and you're going to be taken to a page, which I'm going to show you now, which is the sign up page. There's the sign up button there. There's one on the bottom too. But I wanted to show a couple quick things. Laser targeted traffic. Yes, that's true. In a network of blogs with 22 niches. So pretty much whatever you're doing, we've got you covered. It's newbie friendly. You don't have to worry about getting burned running paid ads. This is really important, especially when you're first starting out, because you don't know how paid traffic works. So newbie friendly, yes, I agree. You're getting your content out to thousands of accounts, websites, all those things. Yes, it's going viral because people are posting it all over the place, which is good for you. You're going to get a ton of traffic, and it's community based. It's kind of like, you're working together. You share someone else's stuff, you get points, and then they share your stuff, they get points. It works out really well. And at the bottom of the page is join free, no credit card required. So there's that. It's definitely this one's a no-brainer because it's for free. Free. I like it. I want to show you inside here. This is the marketplace. There's a whole bunch of stuff you can share in here. But let's say you're in the health and weight loss niche. Here's an article that you can share, a social article or as an advert. And they're offering 70 points here. All you do is you click promote and you share, and when you do, you get the points. And then later, when you've got points, you come over here, you click on My Traffic Campaigns here, and then you create your own campaign, and it's put in this marketplace, and then you can offer points for people to share your stuff. So it's pretty much a no-brainer, especially you getting it for free. The only thing to keep in mind, though, is you're not getting the points other people are because you're coming in as a free member. But as you can tell here, it's very easy to start collecting points. So I love this site. I'm getting a lot of traffic, and you can get the same. So click on the link underneath this video, and you're going to be able to get all this. And before I forget, I want to show you this one. That's Covert Commissions. It's fully hosted. You don't install anything. It's done for you. I will take you over here. And this is the page. I want to take you through it just a tiny bit. You can do this yourself. Basically, the highlights of it, it's easy to use. You can be ready to go in 3 minutes. There's nothing to install. You don't have to write, make, or build anything. It's very easy. It's very newbie friendly. You don't have to create a landing page. You don't have to create email sequences or find offers. It's all done for you. And that is pretty much how we like it. So all you do when you get to this page, you come down here. These have affiliate system. Each one of these is an affiliate system. It has one major product as the main focus. But what happens is you take this code for whichever one you want to promote. You can just highlight it. You can copy and paste. Then you input it here and you activate your account, and then you have access to this inside the members area. The good part here is, and this is the beauty of Covert Commissions, is they are able to make sure that this is all set up right, and in the future they will email people who sign up to your list through this system with your affiliate links, not theirs, with yours. So when someone buys something, you get paid. So that is the beauty of it. So you're getting that as a bonus along with the rest. So I appreciate your time here. Appreciate you listening and watching this video. So click on the link underneath, and you'll be able to get access to all of this. This is all for free. Don't have to pay anything on this. So anyway, thanks for your time. Have a good day, and I will talk to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.